Welcome to Simple Tech Tips. Today we'll learn how to remove Exif metadata from an image. If you're using Windows, select the image and right-click on it. Then select Show More Options. Then select Properties. From there, head over to the Details section. And this is where you'll be able to see the information about the image. For example, this image was taken using a Google Pixel 7. So in order to remove the properties, click on this one. It will give you two options. You can either create a copy with all possible properties, or you can go through the stuff that you want to remove. But I will go with this one, create a copy. Then select OK. Give it a couple of seconds and you will be able to see there's a copy of this version. Right click on it to see like if you have been able to remove the EXIF data. You'll be able to see that the information is not here. I mean, just the basic information about the dimensions, but who took the photo, which phone, and other information is gone from here. There's another way of removing the EXIF data. So I'm going to leave the URL. All you have to do is load this URL and drag or drop the image here, or you can just click to upload. So we'll just do the click to upload, and here we'll select the original photo. Give it a couple of seconds. It will remove the Exif metadata from the photos and you'll be able to download it from here. So this is the second way to remove the metadata. There are a couple of other ways like using softwares, but I feel like it's not important, or some of the softwares online, they may be spywares or something like that. So I'm not going to share them here. So if you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe. And if you face any problems, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much.